Are channels without sound and picture monetized? This question is often asked that the channels that don't have anyone's voice or the image of YouTuber face are monetized or not. There are many ideas such as Walk With Me or carpet cleaning or car washing. All of these channels operate without anyone's voice in the video or the image of the content creator, and they have large channels. So are these channels really profitable or not? Guys, the demonetization of these channels depend on several necessary conditions because YouTube believes that those who produce valuable content should be paid, and they should have one of the following conditions in their videos. The first condition is record the video yourself. Even if your idea is such that it can be implemented without sound and video in the minimum necessary conditions, you must be a video and content recorder, whether this recording is from the screen of your phone or computer, or you have recorded a video with a camera like Walk With Me channels, car washing, and carpet cleaning similar to this. Of course, it should be mentioned that in order to reduce the risk of monetization of these channels, it is better to implement some kind of creativity at the time of recording so it can be recognized that these videos are from your channel. For example, if you record from video screen, put your logo channel in the background video you have created. The second condition is the content should be made with edits. Put your sound. In this case, your video must have at least your voice. If your video is prepared in any way, if your voice is not on the video, in this case, the possibility of not being monetized is very high and it's a big risk. For example, popular list channels, top 10, film and service channels, or most gameplay channels, and etc. It's better not to take risk and at least add your voice to the video, otherwise your channel may not be monetized. After all the effort, your efforts will be wasted. So we are going to talk the next condition. Record the video yourself and have your voice and image in the videos. This content production model is the best valuable option for creating a YouTube channel, which 95% of case, if you have not broken the YouTube rules, your channel will be monetized. And my suggestion to you is to create content in this way. For example, react channels, mini chat, educational channels, or other several channels you sure about. In fact, you must either have recorded the video yourself or have your voice in the video or your image, otherwise your channel will not be monetized. It's appropriate to say here, if you have the ability to speak in front of the camera, it's better not to take any risks and come in front of the camera and record the video, so that there will be no problem at all for the monetization of the channel. Thank you for being with me until the end. I will see you in the next video.